Have you ever noticed something strange about your emotions? Why does a small criticism from your boss ruin your entire day? Why does being ignored in a WhatsApp group suddenly make you feel invisible? And why does a small rejection sometimes hurt far more than it logically should? The truth is uncomfortable. Most emotional pain in adulthood did not start in adulthood. It started years ago when you were a child. क्या आपने कभी ये नोटिस किया है कि कभी कभी छोटी सी बात भी हमें अंदर तक चोट पहुंचा देती है? ऑफिस में किसी ने आपकी तारीफ नहीं की, दोस्त ने मैसेज का जवाब नहीं दिया, या किसी ने आपको इग्नोर कर दिया, और अचानक ऐसा लगता है जैसे आपकी वैल्यू ही नहीं है। लेकिन सच क्या है? आपके ये भावनाएं आज पैदा नहीं हुई हैं, इनके जड़ बचपन में है। और अगर आप आज इसे समझ लेते हैं तो आपकी ज़िंदगी का पूरा इमोशनल पैटर्न बदल सकता है। बट हियर इज़ द शॉकिंग ट्रुथ, मोस्ट adults are living with childhood wounds without even realizing it. Let me tell you about someone called Rahul. Rahul is 32, has a good job, he is very smart, he is very responsible, but there is one problem. Whenever someone criticizes him, he feels deeply hurt. If his boss says, "This report could have been better," Rahul doesn't just hear feedback, his mind hears something else. You're not good enough. और ये सिर्फ राहुल की कहानी नहीं है, ये हम सब की कहानी है। जब कोई हमें जज करता है या इग्नोर करता है तो अंदर से एक आवाज़ आती है, शायद मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ। लेकिन सवाल है, ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why does a small comment trigger such a strong emotional reaction? The answer lies in childhood emotional programming. And once you understand this, everything starts making sense. But before we continue, a quick question. If childhood didn't matter, why do we remember one harsh sentence from our parents for 20 years, but forget what we ate last Thursday? Strange, right? When we are children, our brain is extremely sensitive. We don't just experience events, we build beliefs about ourselves. For example, if a child hears repeatedly, "Stop crying, don't be weak, why can't you be like others?" the child slowly forms a belief. My emotions are not important. Something is wrong with me. और यही विश्वास धीरे धीरे हमारी पहचान बन जाती है। बचपन में हम सोचते हैं, अगर पापा नाराज़ है तो शायद मेरी गलती है, अगर टीचर ने डांटा तो शायद मैं बेकार हूँ। और ये छोटे छोटे अनुभव हमारे अंदर एक इमोशनल ब्लूप्रिंट बना देते हैं। ये ब्लूप्रिंट तय करता है हम रिजेक्शन को कैसे महसूस करते हैं और हम खुद को कितना योग्य मानते हैं। बट हियर इज द स्केरी पार्ट, these beliefs don't disappear when we grow up. They simply go underground and they quietly control our adult life. But childhood wounds don't just affect emotions, they affect relationships, confidence, even success. And the next sign might surprise you. Have you ever reacted strongly to something small? Someone cancels a plan, and suddenly you feel rejected. Your partner becomes silent, and your mind starts thinking, maybe they don't love me anymore. ऐसा कभी हुआ है? सोचो सोचो। अगर ऐसा आपके साथ होता है तो इसका मतलब आप कमज़ोर नहीं, इसका मतलब है आपके अंदर का वो छोटा बच्चा अभी भी सुरक्षा ढूंढ रहा है, क्योंकि बचपन में शायद उसे वो सुरक्षा पूरी तरह नहीं मिली। थिंक अबाउट इट। अ चाइल्ड हु फेल्ट इग्नोर्ड grows up becoming an adult who fears abandonment. A child who was constantly criticized grows up becoming an adult who fears failure. And let's be honest, some of us overthink so much. If someone replies okay to our messages, we start analyzing it like a crime investigation. Why only okay? Why no emoji? Did I do something wrong? Is he upset with me? Did I reply to him or did I ask him something right or wrong? Sounds familiar? But there is a deeper reason behind this, and that leads to the second hidden effect of childhood pain. Many adults spend their whole life trying to prove their worth, working harder, achieving more, trying to impress everyone. But deep inside, they are still trying to hear something they never heard as a child. कई लोग जिंदगी भर मेहनत करते रहते हैं, अच्छी नौकरी, अच्छा पैसा, अच्छी पहचान, लेकिन अंदर से फिर भी एक खालीपन रहता है। क्यों? क्योंकि वो सफलता के पीछे नहीं भाग रहे हैं, वो वैलिडेशन के पीछे भाग रहे हैं। दैट मिसिंग वैलिडेशन becomes the fuel for our achievements, but it can also become the source of emotional exhaustion. And here is the most surprising truth: your childhood wounds are not just a problem, they can actually become your greatest strength, but only if you understand one powerful shift. Inside every adult, there is still a younger version of them. Psychologists call this the inner child. The inner child holds memories of joy, fear, rejection, love. अगर बचपन में हमें पूरी समझ और सुरक्षा नहीं मिली तो हमारा अंदर का बच्चा आज भी उसी कमी को महसूस करता है। लेकिन अच्छी खबर ये है, अब आप बच्चे नहीं हो, अब आप खुद को वो दे सकते हैं जो शायद उस समय आपको नहीं मिला। एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिटिसाइजिंग योर सेल्फ, यू कैन लर्न टू स्पीक टू योर सेल्फ विथ कंपैशन। इंस्टेड ऑफ चेजिंग वैलिडेशन, you can learn to validate yourself. Instead of fearing rejection, you can learn to accept your own worth. Let me ask you something very important. If your childhood version of you walked into the room right now, would you criticize them or would you hug them? What would you do? Exactly. So, why do we treat ourselves harsher than we would treat a child? Very important to think on this. Here is a simple exercise that you can follow. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself as a child. When you are young, maybe 7 or 8 years old, look at that child carefully within your mind. That child didn't need perfection. That child only needed understanding. अब उस बच्चे से कहिए, तुम जैसे हो वैसे ही काफ़ी हो। तुम्हारी भावनाएं महत्वपूर्ण हैं। मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। If you just follow this small exercise every day, all the negative things that you had from your child will start disappearing slowly. And when healing begins, something beautiful happens. You stop reacting to the world from your wounds. You start responding from your strength. Remember this, your childhood may have shaped you, but it does not have to define you. You are not broken. You are simply carrying experiences that were never understood. आपकी कहानी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है। आप अभी भी अपने जीवन की नई कहानी लिख सकते हैं। और शायद सबसे ताकतवर इंसान वही बनता है जिसने अपने अंदर के घावों को समझा है। But there is one more hidden childhood wound that affects almost everyone. Have you ever wondered why small rejection hurts you so much? Why a simple no can sometimes feel like a deep emotional blow? In the next video, I'll explain the psychology behind this and how to break the painful pattern. So click the video appearing on your screen right now. Trust me, that video might change the way you understand about your emotions forever. I'll see you there. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment and share it with your friends, whoever needs to hear this today. See you in the next video. Namaste.